Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Stellar is moving inside the down channel, and now if you take a look at the live chart, and still on this daily time frame chart, price and is moving to the downside, forming lower lows and lower highs and moving inside this channel. And by the way, since after 23rd of November 2024, it is moving inside this channel. We had a rejection here, bounce here, and two more touch points here. Then we had another bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And now the pricing is once again rejected by the resistance of the channel. Now there is a probability that soon we may also test this long-term support zone along with the support of the channel. And by the way, this support zone starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been working as a very strong resistance zone here, support zone here for several weeks, a month. And here it was also working as support, and here as a support. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support zone. And by the way, this time the price and is also rejected by this resistance of 40 cents as well. That was recently breaking here as a support and as support here. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And we will also take a look at this very huge setup. And this is a very, very huge ascending triangle formation that is formed on a monthly time frame chart. I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That was a very huge move because this pattern was formed on the monthly time frame chart. And I've been sharing this move with you in my different videos as well. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the long-term trade signal for seller that I have been sharing you for the past 2 years in my different videos. And I shared this move first with my members, by the way, on 29th of May 2022. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gartner pattern that Stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this one, you can see that when I shared the signal at that time, it was moving at 12.7 cents. And the sell target zone starts from 42.3 cents and goes to 66.81 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very massive reversal and read the sell target zone here. And so far, it has produced almost 400% very, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this channel since after 23rd of November 2024. And now, recently, it is once again rejected by the resistance of the channel along with this resistance of 40 cents. And now there is a probability that the price may test this long-term support zone along with the support of the channel. That starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. A quite long-term support zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been breaking as a very strong resistance on here, support, and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support zone for the price line. However, despite we are forming lower lows and lower highs and moving to the downside, this down channel is considered as a bullish path. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down the support. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 63 cents. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this bed that I've been telling you for the past 2 years was here at the top of the bed that is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And now we are very close to hit that target. Now, let me to show you this very, very huge setup that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. The channel is formed on the daily, and this falling wedge pattern was formed on the weekly time frame, and now we are switched to the monthly time frame. And here we have a very, very huge ascending triangle formation. And now, for example, if after this rejection, recent rejection, the price and will again test the support of the triangle, then it can test the support somewhere here, approximately at 10 cents. But in my opinion, it will be really very difficult for the price and to break down this long-term support zone from 25 to 20, 27 to 25 cents. And it is possible that after testing this support zone, the price and may again start another reversal to make another attempt to break out the resistance of the triangle. However, if the price and breaks out the triangle eventually, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. And by the way, this can be a very long-term move because this is a monthly time frame chart. And the long-term target for the breakout after the breakout from this triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $50. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.